walang kukurap at walang aatras sa maliliksit malulupit na galawan sa PBA Top 5 Plays ngayon. Ikalima.
Bottom 2, tanggal agad.
Oo.
Yung top 2 naman mag-a-advance ka agad.
Oh, JC and Tal! Skying for that dunk. Got those daddy hops. No?
Congratulations!
Congratulations! diba?
Bagong tatay na si JC Estal.
Pangapat.
Na-dribble nga lang sa kanyang sariling paa. 2 seconds to shoot. Pingles goes to Pascual. Off the glass to beat the first quarter buzzer. Ronald Pascual announces his entry into the Star Hot Shots lineup.
Pangatlo.
Ball was batted back to him by Ping. Thompson to Greg Zilla for the turn.
Magandang pumasa si Thompson. Kita-kita natin. Greg Zilla. What a shot!
Ikalawa.
Very good offensive rebounders. Si Ronald Tubig always aggressive yan. Crashing the boards and Dorian Peña erasing him.
Oh, Romeo inside! Crossover, the sidestep, the layup, creates, penetrates, and devastates.
At ang nanguna.
Dillinger tracked it down. They have numbers, 3-on-2. Use of atake. Slam dunk over Arwin Santos. You talk about highlights. He's oozing with it right now, Chris Newsom.
Look at that, what he did. Harapan naman ginawa. You don't do that against Arwin Santos.
Just awesome. Napakalupit ng tira na yon. Ang taas ng balangan.
Walang kupas ang galing ng ating PBA Stars. Dito sa ating PBA Top 5 Play.